Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel. That is Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial of the Adobe Photoshop, I will teach you the selection brush tool, how to use it, lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool. Without wasting time, let's jump into Photoshop. Open the picture, any picture you want. Let me open it. I'll open this picture, the mountains, nice mountains. So, selection brush tool. It select an area like a brush because it has a brush shape. Now I selected the area. Now when I select the move tool, it select an area. Now I press delete. Suppose if I want to delete this part, click on the delete. First click on the background layer to make it to layer. Double click on the background layer, and then now I press delete. It will delete that kind of surface from the image. If I want Control Z, I applied. If I want this part, I want to copy it to move it to the left side or the top side. It copy that area, that kind of surface which I have selected. Now I have to place a second one, lasso tool. It select an area like when I am moving like a pen. It select that kind of area where I want to move. It select in pen shape. It's select an area. Now when I click on the select and move tool, let me select it. Move tool. Now if I press delete, it delete that area. If I have to copy it, Control Z. If I want to copy it, drag this part to the top side or to the down side. Same with now Polygonal Lasso tool. It select an area in polygonal shape, like rectangle shape or any kind of shape you want. In polygonal design, it makes a shape. It select an area. Now if I want to press delete this part, diagonally it deletes that kind of part. If I want to copy it to the right side or to the down side, it copy that area. Now for deselecting the object, press Ctrl D. Now Magnetic Lasso tool. It select an area like magnetically. When you move the mouse, when you move it the mouse, it makes that kind of it select that kind of area. Cursor. If I move the cursor, let me tell you once again. I will press Ctrl D. If I move the cursor, where I move the cursors of the mouse, it select magnetically that area, that kind of area. Now this much area I have selected. And now if I click on the move tool, if I first press delete, it can delete that area. Control Z. If I want to move that kind of area, the selection, it move that it move to that particular place, either to the left side or to the left side or to the right side or to the bottom right side or left side. Now with this tutorial I have told you it was a short tip of Polygonal Lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool, and also brush selection tool and lasso tool. With this I have completed tutorial. I will be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel. I will be back with the next tutorial. Have a good day. Bye.